Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got an exciting topic to dive into, which is Zapier. If you ever wondered how you can connect your favorite apps without any coding skills, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we break down these ins and outs of Zapier and how it can make your life easier. Alright, let's jump right into Zapier. It might sound like something out of sci-fi movie, but it's actually a real game changer in the world of automation. So, what exactly is Zapier? Well, think of this as your personal automated assistant. Zapier connects your favorite apps together, allowing them to work seamlessly without any manual intervention. It's like having a bunch of digital minions that do your tasks for you without even lifting a finger. Here's the magic. Zapier creates what is called zaps. A zap is connection between the apps that automates a specific task. For example, let's say you want to automatically save your Gmail attachments to a Google Drive. Instead of doing manually every time, you can create a zap that does this for you automatically. Creating a zap is simple, and you don't need coding knowledge. You start by selecting a trigger app. This is the app where your automation begins. Then you choose an action app where your automation will complete the task. Zapier sets up a workflow between these apps, and voila, your zap is ready to go. Now let's explore some particular use cases of Zapier. And this is like e-commerce efficiency. Imagine you're running an online store with Zapier. You can automatically add a new customers for Shopify to your email marketing tool like MailChimp. Keep your customers list updated without any effort. Task management. Keep forgetting to add tasks to your to-do list. With the Zap, you can turn started emails in Gmail into task apps like Trello or Asana, ensuring nothing slips through your fingers. The possibilities are truly endless, and Zapier supports thousands of apps, so you're bound to find the perfect combination for your needs. So why should you care about Zapier? Well, first, it's a time saver. By automating repeatable tasks, you can focus on what truly matters, whenever that's growing your business or enjoying your hobbies. It also have no coding requirements. You don't need to be tech wizard to use Zapier. The user-friendly interface makes automation accessible to everyone. And third, important accuracy. Since Zapier are programmed, there's less room for human error. No more worrying about forgetting to transfer data or making mistakes during manual process. This tool is productivity powerhouse that can simplify your digital life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next one.